Hello viewer, I have taken the surface here for editing and creating the new design into the center here using the different structures, shapes as well. And there is the other one. It's a custom shape we will generate here, making a new visual there. Create these designs here. Also generate the further one. Then there is the other. We can make it. Thank you for watching my video.